Hi mga arthritis warriors, and welcome back to the Ask Dr. Joff segment where we answer questions about hip and knee arthritis. Our question is again from the hip arthritis group and AVN group. Doc, ilan buwan ang recovery ng hip replacement? So thank you for your question. Again, if you're new here and if you don't know about hip replacement, we have a guide called Walking Back to Life. It is in the file section here, somewhere in the Facebook groups. You can download it for free and know more about hip and knee replacements. So back to the question, ilang buwan ang recovery ng hip replacement? It is just similar to a change tire ng kotse. If we change the tire ng kotse, usually tatakbo agad, provided na malakas pa yung makina ng kotse. So if your muscles are strong, if you're balanced, and of course, it matters din yung tinatawag na approach or surgery ng hips. Patients can be walking immediately po. Now, full recovery will depend on how weak you are, because in our last na Ask Dr. Joff, we did say na magka-weakness, papayat ang legs, mawawala ng balance. If you are able to regain the balance, then you can definitely be walking immediately. Some patients may need a few weeks, others will need months to regain their balance and their strength after a hip replacement. Again, not every patient is the same. Some will be stronger walking without a cane immediately after surgery. Others, especially yung sobrang tagal na, they've had years and years of arthritis or AVN na hindi naka-hip replacement, they may need more strengthening, and that will be a factor. I hope this answers your question. Again, I'm Dr. Jonathan Flordelis. You can call me Dr. Joff, and our goal is to help mga arthritis patients get their ability back. That's why we have a guide called Walking Back to Life. Download it for free, and I will see you next time sa ating Ask Dr. Joff segment. Much love and respect. Bye-bye!